In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a PowerPoint slide efficiently and accurately. Whether you're working on a presentation for work, school, or any personal project, knowing how to manage your slides effectively can save you a ton of time and hassle. So let's dive right in and make your PowerPoint experience smoother. First things first, you need to open your MS PowerPoint application. This might seem straightforward, but it's the foundation of everything we're going to do today. Once you have PowerPoint open, you're ready to move to the next step, which is opening your file. You can do this from the opening screen that appears when you first launch PowerPoint. You'll see various options like New Presentation, Open Existing Presentation, and possibly some templates depending on your version of PowerPoint. Click on Open Existing Presentation and navigate through your folders to find the specific PowerPoint file you're working on, select the file, and it will open up ready for editing. Now this is where the real action begins. To duplicate a slide, you're going to use a very simple yet powerful feature built into PowerPoint. Find the slide you want to duplicate in the left-hand sidebar, where all your slides are displayed in a vertical column. This sidebar gives you a mini overview of your entire presentation, making it easier to navigate between slides. Once you've located the slide you wish to duplicate, you're going to right-click on it. Right-clicking is performed by pressing the right button on your mouse or trackpad. When you right-click on the slide, a context menu will appear. This menu offers a slew of options, but the one we're interested in today is labelled Duplicate Slide. Go ahead and click on Duplicate Slide. And just like magic, a carbon copy of your slide will appear directly after the original slide in your slide sequence. This feature is incredibly useful for when you want to maintain the same layout or design for multiple slides without having to recreate everything from scratch. It's perfect for sections of your presentation that might need a uniform look but different content, like comparing points, listing items in a series, or even just keeping a consistent aesthetic throughout your presentation. Now here's a tip to make your PowerPoint experience even smoother. If you find yourself needing to duplicate multiple slides at once, you can do so by holding down the Ctrl key or the Command key if you're on a Mac, while clicking on each slide you wish to duplicate. This lets you select multiple slides at once. Then right-click on one of the selected slides, choose Duplicate Slide, and PowerPoint will duplicate all the selected slides at once. This is a great time saver if you're working with a larger presentation. Another useful bit of advice is to utilize the duplicate feature for trying out different design ideas. Since it's so easy to create copies of your slides, you can experiment with different designs, layouts, or content without the fear of losing your original work. It's a risk-free way of exploring creative options for your presentation. To wrap this up, duplicating slides in PowerPoint is a straightforward process, but knowing how to do it efficiently can significantly enhance your productivity. Today we've gone through opening PowerPoint, locating your presentation, selecting the slide you want to duplicate, and actually duplicating the slide. Remember, these steps are essential for ensuring that your presentations remain consistent and professional, while also allowing for easy experimentation and creativity. As you get more comfortable with PowerPoint, you'll find that these basic functions are the building blocks for creating dynamic, engaging presentations. Duplicating slides is just one of the many features at your disposal, and mastering it is sure to make your presentation creation process much easier. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to duplicate a PowerPoint slide. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks that will help you become a PowerPoint pro. Happy presenting!